Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The last session saw the dollar drop 0.4% against the yen. The stochastic indicator's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The Bitcoin dollar pair dove 1% in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The gold dollar pair skyrocketed 1.1% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The oil dollar pair skyrocketed 1.6% in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Most Central European stocks and currencies tracked broader markets higher after U.S. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell indicated the central bank would wait further to taper stimulus. The Consumer Technology Association announced a new initiative at CES that will exhibit and highlight non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and other blockchain-based technologies. The Australian and New Zealand dollars inched higher against their U.S. counterpart, which hit a two-week low as the Federal Reserve wrong-footed bulls by insisting that rate rises were still far off.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The French gross domestic product will be released at 5:30 GMT, the Eurozone's unemployment rate at 900 GMT, the U.S. personal income at 12:30 GMT. Japan's construction orders will be released at 500 GMT, Australia's producer price index at 130 GMT, the UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 1930 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.